Welcome to this MachineBuilder quick tips video on the complex extrusion resize. This feature allows you to adjust the length of parallel extrusions in your assembly while automatically repositioning connected components and preserving existing connections. To use the feature, first select the parallel extrusions you would like to resize. Right-click and select Resize Selected Extrusions, or press the letter L on your keyboard to initiate the resize. Drag the arrows to adjust the extrusion length. A simplified model of the assembly will appear, indicating which parts will reposition with the resize. Releasing the arrow will apply the new dimensions while retaining all connections. Click elsewhere to confirm the resize. You can prevent connected components from moving with the resize by holding the letter B when dragging the arrows.